Kokonte is one Ghanaian meal with so many nicknames. Some call it La Pewa, others call it Face the Wall, some even call it Chris Brown. As to why Chris Brown was named after this food, I have no idea. Hi foodies, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to a foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video, and today we are making kokonte. You'll need 2 ingredients for this recipe: water and kokonte flour. Kokonte flour is made from dry cassava that has been finely blended into a flour, and some also use dry plantain that has been finely blended into a flour. Boil your water and then you add your flour. Cooking kokonte is not for the weak, as it can test your arms. It's advisable that you get someone to be pouring in the flour into the boiling water while you stir in circular motion, as it easily becomes lumpy. Stir in circular motion until you achieve a solid consistency, and then you drive it like how you do for banku. Oba chijijie onanie. I just said you drive the kokonte in Ghana. Now, you would need all the strength you have in the world to drive it gently with your spatula, just so it can break down all the lumps in the kokonte, because you need it as smooth as possible, and that is the point where it's going to test your macho. Okay, now kokonte also needs heat, so if it's too hard for you, you can add some hot water and allow it to soften up. Once you achieve the consistency you want, cover it to trap some heat, and then you keep driving it until you achieve the smoothness, and you know it's ready when the color changes and becomes darker. Okay, now some people eat kokonte with pepper, others with soup. Some people like to eat it with okra as well. My favorite is eating it with thick groundnut soup or peanut butter soup, and that's exactly what I did. I like to also add a little bit of okra on the side, and that combo is fire. I totally enjoyed this food, and if it's been a while since you had kokonte, this is your sign to make some at home. However, if you've never had one before, you should try it because it's very delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to like and share. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Every morning she just stretch me like a dog, and when she ball, unless bet my jump the one. Alo mojaja, ube kumio. Alo mojaja,